Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting for me because it's an unboxing of a bag that I've wanted for a super long time. I'm not going to try and keep you in suspense or anything because you know what the bag is due to the title of the video. It is the Celine Trio bag and it's something that I've wanted for a very long time. I've been super into Celine for a very long time. Now that we have a new creative director there, I'm less into the brand after the last catwalk showing, but that's a whole nother story. This is a bag I've wanted for a very long time. I'm really glad that I've been able to get it, so I wanted to share the unboxing with you guys so we can see exactly what is going on with the bag and see the specs, and then further down the line, just like I've done in the past with my previous unboxings, I will then also come back and tell you how it wears and what's going on with the bag on a day-to-day. So if you enjoy the video, please do subscribe to the channel and do thumbs up, and let's just crack on. So as you know, I've been trying to minimise my wardrobe and I've been doing the same thing with my accessories. So my shoes have been whittled down, as have my bag collection. I've sold a lot of bags and also given a lot to charity. I felt that I have two rucksacks in my bag collection, which I don't necessarily want. I'd rather have one rucksack and then have two crossbodies, whereas at the moment I've got one crossbody and one black crossbody and two rucksacks. So I want to flip that on its head and have two black crossbodies and one rucksack. So I'll be selling or giving away one of my Whistles backpacks because I don't use those as much. They were much more of a trend piece, but I don't seem to use the little one as much as I could. So I think I might give that one away and just keep the one backpack. So that said, I felt like I had room in the categories of my capsule for another black crossbody, and then that's where this bag came in. So I've got my trusty scissors here. I'm not sure I'll need them. I already broke the seal before I decided I was going to do an unboxing. I've not seen the bag, but I've opened the seal of the outer box. I ordered the bag from the Celine website, so direct from the website, not from any sort of third party site. It arrived really quickly and in good condition, and it came in a big box like this. Inside the box you have the Celine box that you can see, and I think it's just some padding on the side. Yeah, some padding on the side, which is kind of cute, just to protect it. I think quite a lot of padding on the side. Let me know if there's actually something I should be doing with this, because there's 3 lots of padding and the Trio has 3 pockets. So is there something I should be doing with these, or is it just something that's a sweet aside? Let me know. So there's that in the box, and then you have this main box here. It's quite heavy and looks like so. Nice textured box, very simple, very minimal. That's that. A box is a box. Inside we have this paper here, which I actually quite like. It's something I could possibly think about framing. It actually looks really nice. So that's that there. You could actually wrap someone's present in this, and then it's not actually from Celine. It could get something from the cheapest of the cheap and then wrap it in this and get them very excited. I might do that to my sister. Be quite mean. So we have the dust bag that looks like this. And then I can feel the handle that's just outside the dust bag. We've got a security tag, and it says, please keep the tags on this article while trying it on. Items whose original tags have been removed will be deemed ineligible for return. Not that I'm going to be returning this bag, but if you were thinking about doing that, make sure you keep the tag on. We have a thank you for shopping at Celine, which I think is really cute. You're very welcome. Thank you for shopping on Celine.com. We hope you enjoy your purchase and look forward to seeing you again soon. So that's just a card saying thanks. At these prices, you probably won't be seeing me again very soon, but hey, thank you anyway. And then we have the receipt details here. So that's that, and then that's the box empty. So onto the bag, we have the Trio in black. So obviously it's going to be black, it's me. It's the Celine Trio, it's black and it's in the large size. So I was thinking toying between getting the smaller and the large size. I watched quite a lot of videos and decided on the larger size just because I do cart around quite a lot of stuff in my bags, and not that I'm gonna stuff this bag massively full, but for the price difference as well, I thought I'd rather just get the large. So just on first impressions, it feels super buttery soft. I think it's going to be another one of those bags that does mark quite quickly. So if you've watched my APC unboxing, I will link that up here for you guys to see. It marks pretty quickly, and I feel because of the soft nature of this lambskin, it's going to do the same. But it's just lovely, so minimal right up my street. So you've got the Celine Paris logo here, and I'm glad I got this bag before the new rebrand, because I kind of like having the little accent on the E. I think they've taken that off now for the rebrand. It's got 3 pockets, so you've got the 3 zipper compartments here, and then these all snap off, so like so. So that snaps off there at the back, if I can snap it back on, and then that snaps up there at the front, like so. And then because it snaps off, you can actually use this front one as a clutch, which I plan to do because I don't actually have a night clutch for my evening capsule. So if you haven't seen my occasional wear capsule, do also check that video out. It's a very tight, cohesive 13-piece capsule wardrobe, but I don't have a bag in there, and I think I'm going to be using the clutch part of this bag as my nightwear bag, because I think that would work really well. It's not big, it's not bulky, it's just perfect for the evening. So that's why I haven't bought a bag for my occasion wear capsule. So at the front we have some stuffing which I will take out, and then there's no further pockets in there, it's just one pocket. I think that might be the same with all of them, but let's have a look. More stuffing. Again, no further pockets in that middle section there, it's just one pocket. And then at the back we have the same deal, we have some stuffing, we have something else. It's just explaining about how to look after the bag. So that's a little care card in the back pocket, but then again there's nothing in there. So there's 3 compartments, but there's no sort of, you know, wallet pocket or mobile phone pocket or anything like that. It's just very clean on the inside. I can't get over how soft the leather is. It's super soft. It's actually making me a bit scared to use it. And then that's just what it looks like, sort of that way. I have seen some videos saying do be careful about this, because you could slip your card through this pockets here, because you think you put it in your bag and you've actually slipped it through. So that's something to be aware of in terms of design. With the strap, it is quite thin. It's probably thinner than I thought it would be. Not crazy thin, but I'm scared it's going to snap. But I probably would have appreciated a centimetre or 2 on the strap width, as it looks quite slim to me and could be quite flimsy. You've got adjustable sort of nodules here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, and it's currently, I'm probably going to move it down just to the longest because I do like my crossbodies quite long. But in terms of strap length, I think I'm quite happy with the way that that looks. So yeah, on first glance, I'm pretty happy with this bag. I think it's everything that I thought it would be. It's exactly what I wanted in terms of how minimal it is. There's basically absolutely nothing to it but the tiny little logo on the front. The leather is super soft, that I definitely think it will mark, and if I'm filling it too much, you're going to get indentations and imprints, which is not ideal. So if you are thinking about getting this, I'll probably just, even on first glance, just suggest not filling this up too much. Really happy with the size. It's exactly what I would have wanted, and I can't wait to start using it and then come back and let you guys know exactly how I get on with it. As I said, I got it from the Celine website. I believe there are still some in stock. When I looked last time, they were out of stock, but then I got the email saying they're in stock, and I think they're still in stock now. There's the black and there's an oxblood colour, I believe, which is also really lovely. Again, you've got the smaller size than this too. And I don't think there's much else to say. Let me start using this, and then I can come back to you guys in another video and sort of share with you my thoughts on how it wears, what's been going on with it, and yeah, just how I found it in general. So let me know what you think of the bag. This is something that I've wanted for such a long time, so I'm so glad that I've got it. Do check out my other unboxings and first impressions / reviews on my other bags. I've got an APC Half Moon bag review, and also my Mulberry Tenby bag. I've also done a very similar video on that, so I'll link all those details either up in the cards or down below in the description bar for you guys to check out. And my bag and me are going to head off, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.